Have you ever wondered why we behave the way we do? An intriguing question, isn't it? Well, it's not as simple as you might think. Human behavior is a complex tapestry, woven with threads of biology, psychology, and environmental influences. Our actions are shaped by a multitude of factors, some known and others still a mystery. It's a fascinating exploration, one that never ceases to amaze. So, are you ready for a journey into the human psyche? Let's unravel some fascinating facts about human behavior together. Ever caught a yawn from someone else? It's not just you. Yawning is a curious phenomenon, isn't it? It's not only humans who are susceptible to this contagious behavior, but animals too. Have you ever noticed your pet dog yawn right after you do? That's no coincidence. This contagious yawning is believed to be linked to what are known as mirror neurons. These are brain cells that respond equally when we perform an action, and when we witness someone else perform the same action. They are essentially the brain's way of saying, "Hey, let's do what they're doing." Researchers think that mirror neurons might help us understand and empathize with each other's feelings. When you see someone yawn, your mirror neurons spark up, causing you to reciprocate the action. It's a fascinating insight into how our brains are wired for social interaction and empathy. So, next time you yawn, know that it might be your brain's mirror neurons at work. Ever felt your heart race when you're scared? It's not just adrenaline. In fact, fear triggers an intricate physiological response. When you're frightened, your brain sends a distress signal, sparking a chain of events. Adrenaline, also known as the fight or flight hormone, surges through your body. Your heart beats faster, pumping more blood to your muscles. Breathing quickens to supply more oxygen. But that's not all. Your brain also releases cortisol, the stress hormone. While adrenaline prepares you for immediate action, cortisol has a different role. It helps maintain fluid balance and blood pressure, while curbing non-emergency bodily functions like the immune response and digestion. This is your body's way of prioritizing survival over everything else. It's a primal instinct that has been honed over thousands of years of evolution. So, your body's response to fear is a complex interplay of hormones and instincts, all designed to keep you safe. Ever noticed how your behavior changes based on who you're with? It's no secret that we humans are social creatures. Our behaviors, beliefs, and even our attitudes are influenced by the people around us. This is known as social influence, a powerful psychological phenomenon. You may think you're immune to it, but look a little closer. Ever found yourself laughing at a joke that wasn't funny just because everyone else was laughing? Or perhaps you've conformed to a group's opinion even when you disagreed, just to avoid conflict. That's social influence at work. Even our habits and lifestyle choices are often shaped by the company we keep. If your friends are fitness enthusiasts, chances are you'll hit the gym more often. If they love books, you might find yourself reading more. So our behavior isn't just a reflection of our personality, it's also a reflection of our social environment. So, what have we learned about human behavior? From our exploration, we've delved into some truly fascinating aspects of what makes us human. We started with the irresistible yawn, a seemingly simple act that's actually a complex interplay of mirror neurons in our brains. These neurons reflect the actions of others, triggering an empathetic yawn. It's a subtle yet powerful demonstration of our interconnectedness, reminding us that we are inherently social beings. Next, we ventured into the physiological responses to fear. We uncovered how our body's fight or flight response can be traced back to our ancestors, who relied on these instincts for survival. This primal reaction continues to serve us in times of danger but can also be triggered by modern-day stressors, showing us how our past still shapes our present. We then explored the potent influence of society on our behavior. Whether it's conforming to norms or adopting trends, we learned that social factors often shape our actions, sometimes even without us realizing it. This highlights the dynamic nature of human behavior, constantly evolving and adapting to its environment. In essence, every yawn, every shiver, every choice we make is a testament to the complexity and intricacy of human behavior. It's a captivating realm, full of surprises and endless possibilities. The next time you catch yourself yawning, feeling scared, or blending in with a group, remember, it's all part of the fascinating world of human behavior. Stay curious and keep exploring.